Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, the s will go to the right. This one we change by tan y square. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we change by secant of y square minus number 1. The integration of secant of y square, we have tan y. Number 1, that is about y. This one, that is about s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.